पब्लिक स्कूल का सम्मान गार्ड आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान।
Honorable Chief Guest is inspecting the Samman Guard.
सम्मान गार्ड को ले जाने की अनुमति चाहता हूँ श्रीमान।
This art exhibition we welcome you, sir.
स्वागतम आपके शुभ आगमन पर स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम हृदय है हर्षित हमारा आप कण कण में पुकारा। हमारे आदरणीय अतिथिगण के इस शुभ आगमन पर हमारे विद्यालय की छात्राएं अपने हर्षित हृदय के साथ इस स्वागत गीत को प्रस्तुत कर रही हैं।
कुछ प्रारंभिक आसन। अब प्रस्तुत है कछुआ आसन तथा वृक्ष आसन। पहले कछुआ आसन। कछुआ आसन रीढ़ की हड्डी को लचीला बनाता है तथा पेट के रोग दूर करता है। अब है वृक्ष आसन। वृक्ष आसन एकाग्रता बढ़ाता है और पैरों में बल देता है। अब आप देख सकते हैं हल्लासन, त्रिकोणासन तथा ताड़ासन। पहले हल्लासन। यदि आपको शक्तिवर्धक टॉनिक की आवश्यकता है तो आप हल्लासन करें। अब है त्रिकोणासन। यदि आप संपूर्ण सौंदर्य के इच्छुक हैं तो त्रिकोणासन करें। है ताड़ासन। यदि आप अपना कद बढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो ताड़ासन करें। अब है धनुरासन, गरुड़ासन तथा सूर्य नमस्कार। पहले धनुरासन। धनुरासन पैरों और हाथों के जोड़ों को लाभान्वित करता है। अब है गरुड़ासन। गरुड़ासन गठिया के दर्द को दूर करता है। अब है सूर्य नमस्कार। सूर्य की पहली किरण के साथ यदि सूर्य नमस्कार किया जाए तो तन और मन दोनों ही लाभान्वित होते हैं। अगले आसन हैं भुजंगासन, चक्रासन, उष्ट्रासन। पहले भुजंगासन। भुजंगासन जो स्त्री पुरुष दोनों के लिए ही हितकर है, उससे सारा शरीर क्रियाशील रहता है। अब है चक्रासन। चक्र आसन यह शरीर से अनावश्यक चर्बी कम करता है तथा शरीर लचीला बनाता है। अब है उष्ट्रासन। यह आसन जीवन में वृद्धि करता है तथा बुढ़ापे को दूर करता है। इसके बाद है मर्कंडासन, अधमत्सेनासन तथा सर्वांगासन। पहले मर्कंडासन। सांप की भांति दिखने वाला यह आसन हमारे शरीर को लचीला बनाता है। अब है अधमत्सेनासन। यह आसन हमारे पैरों, पेट, कमर, गर्दन आदि को बल देता है। अब है सर्वांगासन। यह आसन थायराइड ग्लैंड को स्वस्थ रखता है। और अब अंत में सभी आसनों का संगम आपके सामने है। आप देख सकते हैं महावीर आसन, सर्वांग आसन, हल्लासन, सूर्य नमस्कार तथा ताड़ासन। अति उत्तम कमल की आकृति बना रहे हैं।
To have with us distinguished personalities on the occasion of sports annual meet. I, on behalf of the school, extend a cordial welcome to our guests. Sir, it is endeavor to display art in exercise through this program. We, the students of Patania Public School, welcome you. I'm sure that your being presence shall help us in making this event a memorable one.
Here it goes. Don't touch these models. Our volunteers are there to pick them up. Cheer them up.
Audience, please enjoy only, do not touch them. Our volunteers are there to pick them up. Nice fly.
Cheer them up. Here it goes. We thank our worthy principal.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding on a sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Santa Claus is coming along, riding on a sleigh. La la la, la 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 la. मिस सांता क्लॉज का घर कहाँ है? चाँद पे। हमें भी वहाँ ले चलिए ना। अच्छा। आओ तुम्हें चाँद पे ले जाएं, प्यार भरे सपने सजाएं, छोटा सा बंगला बनाएं, तुम्हें चांद पे ले प्यार भरे सपने सजाए, छोटा सा बंगला बनाए, एक नई दुनिया बसाए।
Let's prepare the occasion with the fervor of nationalism and patriotic spirits and march on, giving tribute to the zeal and passion of our Jawans. A salute to the nation, to India. These tiny tots are going to be ready for the country.
व्यक्ति है वही जो देश के लिए जिए मरे, शक्ति है वही जो कार्य देश के लिए करे। आन बान शान से प्रस्तुत है समूह गीत। शीश अगर कटे तो बेइज्जती हो अपने देश की, वस्तु हो ना देश में कोई भी विदेश की। स्वावलंबी हम बने, करें हर एक काम हम, अब तो हैं स्वतंत्र हम, नहीं रहे गुलाम हम।
excited. And of course, Moon along with Stars is coming to congratulate them on the platform of PPS. There is an open hearty welcome for all of you. Come and enjoy with these tiny tots.
जन्मदिन तुम्हें मुबारक, सबका संदेश लाया हूँ।
आज जन्मदिन तुम्हें मुबारक, सबका संदेश लाया।
जैसे हम चमकते हैं तुम भी जग में चमको तो,
जैसे हम चमकते हैं तुम भी जग में चमको तो, सबके मन को भाएंगे जन्मदिन। चंदा मामा के साथ जन्मदिन, हम भी खूब मनाएंगे जन्मदिन।
Our guest, Dr. C.S. Rao, IPS, Superintendent of Police Rohtak, has arrived.
The annual function is a day when we are able to project certain personalities whose life sketch makes us realize what all one can do with sincere efforts. I have with me Shri Vishwa Mohan Bansal, Principal Commissioner cum Secretary, Delhi Development Authority, an engineering graduate, law graduate, master in business administration, diploma in journalism. He has adorned n number of offices during his 30 years of career, dealing with general administration, personnel administration, corporate planning and coordination, project monitoring, public relations and what-not. Mr. Bansal led teams studying various national policies to Hong Kong, Beijing, Shanghai, Seoul, Tokyo, Singapore, Philippines, Vietnam, Australia, Malaysia, Japan, Canada, London, and where not, representing the country. A great personality indeed. Dr. C.S. Rao, IPS, Superintendent of Police, Rohtak, is an MBBS. He joined police service and we have him here after his tenures as SP, Panchkula, Narnaul, ADIG CID Haryana. Welcoming such personalities is a pleasure beyond limits. Kindly pardon me, sir. Our purpose of inviting you also is to bring in a break from your heavy schedule and provide you with a change from the official humdrum. Children have been practicing for a display with great enthusiasm, and I am confident you will appreciate their attempt. On behalf of the school, I welcome you, sir. I welcome the parents and guests whose presence is a delight to our and puckered faces. Let us hope these kids get lots of opportunities for playing, they become cheerful and have better smiles. I extend a cordial welcome to all of you once again. Thank you.
Civilized behavior. With the same spirit, we have our kid champs.
मनमोहिनी प्रकृति की जो गोद में बसा है, सुख स्वर्ग सा जहाँ है, वह देश और कोई नहीं, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है। जी हाँ, हम बात कर रहे हैं हमारे प्यारे भारतवर्ष की, उसी भारत माता की जिसकी पावन मिट्टी पर बड़े बड़े वीरों, योद्धाओं और स्वतंत्रता सेनानियों ने जन्म लिया। तो इसी नृत्य के माध्यम से हम उन वीरों को सलाम करते हैं जो हमारे देश के लिए शहीद हो गए। तो आइए देखते हैं कक्षा पहली के छात्रों की प्रस्तुति।
देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का, इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना। चौड़ी छाती वीरों की, यहाँ भोली शक्लें हीरों की, यहाँ गाते हैं रांझे, यहाँ गाते हैं रांझे, मस्ती में मचती हैं धूमें बस्ती में। बहारे झूलों की राहों में कतारे फूलों की, यहाँ हंसता है सावन, यहाँ हंसता है सावन बालों में, खिलती है कलियां गालों में। कहीं दंगल शौक जवानों के, कहीं करतब तीर कमानों के, यहाँ नित नित मेले, यहाँ नित नित मेले सजते हैं, नित ढोल और ताशे बजते हैं। दिल भर के लिए दिलदार हैं हम, दुश्मन के लिए तलवार हैं हम, मैदान में अगर हम डट जाएं, मुश्किल है कि पीछे हट जाएं।
Annual report of 21-year-old Pathania Public School highlights the dedicated journey that set pace on 12th August 1985 and stands indebted to the society that is cooperating to maintain the standards. The sum and substance of this year's efforts on the part of teachers, other employees, and a dedicated result-oriented struggle by the students with a positive support from the parents and members of the society makes me feel proud of mentioning that the list of torch bearers whose efforts at state, national and international levels fetched laurels have touched the 201 mark. These young ambassadors of the school are always keen to excel in any field, whether it is academics, cultural, or a display of their creative talent. During this session, Ms. Priyanka Elawat and her team, Prerna Chawla, Anjali Dhama, Kriti Agarwal, and Dinesh participated in the 13th Haryana State Junior Bal Science Congress held on 3rd December 2005 at Sonipat and was selected for nationals. This team participated in the nationals at Bhubaneswar from 27th to 31st August 2005 and was adjudged outstanding. On 29th August 2006, Ms. Anjali Dhama bagged third prize in a seminar organized by State Science Education and Research Training Center at Gurgaon in CBSE Science Intel exhibition at regional level in the school in Aishar Public School at Faridabad. Our students Gaurav Minocha, Vansh Sharma, Sahil Khattar and Sarthak Hans were selected for nationals under the able guidance of Mr. Venus Girdhar. In academics this year, the highest percentage in class 10 has been 94.2% secured by Ms. Igjot Kaur. In class 12, 90% by Ankit Malik in non-medical, 90.8% by Ms. Annie Gupta in medical stream, 83% by Ravi Saini in commerce, and 89% by Jyoti Dalal in art stream. CBSE has awarded the Certificate of Merit to 5 of our class 10 students, Master Ankit Malik, Lalit Kumar, Sukrit Narula, Ms. Devyani Sapra and Igjot Kaur. This certificate is awarded only to 0.1% of the national students. It is the combined effort of students, parents and teachers that all this has been possible. 6 of our students have joined various medical colleges this year. Miss Annie Gupta has joined Medical College Shimla, Parnika Sharma Medical College Maulana, Manish Aaron Agra Medical College, Naveen Nayan Kota Medical College, Kamini Sharma and Prabjot have joined PGIMS Rohtak. Our students Mohit Jatan has been selected in Indian Navy as Technical Officer at INS Shivaji. Miss Kusum Sharma from Art Stream is doing extremely well in Banasali Vidyapeeth and has been able to make her place at the international level in the field of fine arts. Many of our students have joined engineering, management and law colleges. School feels proud of these students and wishes them all the best. In sports, under the able guidance of Mr. Khazan Singh and his team of PTIs, our boys team, Hitesh Huda, Nishant Arora, Mohit Khatri, Madhur Malik, Gaurav Nayan, Sandeep Ranga, Sachin Malik, Sachin Jangda, Aditya Gulia, Suraj, Sumit and Chakshu Batra stood second in CBSE North Zone 2nd Handball Championship held at Sivani from 16th to 19th October 2006 and were selected for nationals at Ghaziabad. With the efforts of our lady coach, Mrs. Kavita Rathi, our girls team, Anu, Garima, Supriya, Sheetal, Vishakha, Pooja, Rishika, they bagged first prize, and junior boys team, Mohit Khatri, Mohit Dalal, Rahul Deswal, Sandeep Ranga, Yashwajit Nandal, and Gaurav Nayan stood second in 16th Sub-Junior Haryana Baseball Championship held at Kalka from 12th to 14th May 2006. Both these teams participated in the nationals held at Solan from 23rd to 29th May 2006. 2 of our boys, Hitesh Huda and Shirtaj Malik, participated in National Softball Championship held at Hyderabad from 6th to 11th June 2006. Very recently, our students participated in School State Badminton Championship 2006 held at Rohtak on 6 November. Girls team of our school, Anu, Neha and Garima bagged second prize, and boys team, Varun and Vatan, they secured third position. In the district table tennis championship, Master Aditya Ahuja bagged first position and was selected for state championship. Students are encouraged to participate in various adventurous activities and camps held at various places during vacations. This year, they went to Dalhousie, Behel and Tara Devi, Shimla. Here, they underwent training in rock craft, river crossing and other such. Aero modeling is another hobby that has been introduced this year. This is how the school is trying its best for the all-round development of the students. Our efforts shall continue and we seek your cooperation. Now, I won't like to hinder the presentation of nearly 1,000 students who are eager to perform on the stage. Once again, I welcome you all and wish the participants best of luck. Have a nice day.
Thank you, ma'am. India, a land of sages and saints, temples, prayers,